Namaste friends, welcome to JavaScript coding interview questions. Today question is what is hoisting and give example. Let's begin. In JavaScript, hoisting is a default behavior of moving function and variable declarations at top of the scope before code execution. We can see what is this line is going to telling about. I'm taking one file name is hosting.js in VS Code. First of all, I wanna going to log certain value like a. After that, I'm going to declare the value is a var a like that. The first file going to telling about where you are going to declare the value in variables or functions. It will be going to move as the top of the scope. That is the first point is telling about that. Next, we want to know about the what is variable hosting and function hosting. First, we see variable hosting. We declare, then initialize the value of the var next using it. The default initialization of the var is undefined. Let's see what it is going to telling about. Here we are declare the one value var a. It will be going to show as a undefined. The default value of the var declaration, it will be going to show as a undefined. Let's see. Go to the terminal. I'm writing node and hosting.js. I'm calling here like that. Let's see. The value is undefined. It is showing. Move to the next point. Yeah, here only we want to going to assigning the value. First we have to declare. After that we will want to going to assign the value like that, a equal to 6, and if you want to going to call, it will be going to give us the result like this. Next, moving to the next point. Variables that are declared with var will be stored in a global window as undefined in memory allocation phase. Yeah, what is that? We will see. First of all, I wanna going to already we are declared here. Just I'm opening the debugger here. I'm opening the Chrome. I'm copying this and opening the Chrome. Going to the console. Here I'm pasting that code. Let's see. Variable that declares with a var will be stored in a global window as undefined in memory allocation phase. I am declared here. This value is going to store in globally as a undefined. Let's move to this. Yeah, seed a is equal to undefined. Globally it will be going to store in here. That is the point that telling about. This is memory allocation phase. Moving to the next. Variables declared with the let and cost are also hosted, but unlike var, are not initialized with the default value. An exclusion will be thrown if the variable declared with let and cost is readable for this initialization. If I were going to give here in place of var as a let, we can see what is the result it will be shown. And yeah, it is not cannot be accessed this a before initialization. Let cost also hosted, but unlike the var. If I wanna go to move to the top, it will be showing as undefined. This is the difference. And here also, if I take the const like that, it will be show first error. This is the thing. Okay. This point is going to tell you that's thing. And next, variables are declared with let and cost will be stored in local scope as undefined in the memory allocation phase. Let's see. Here I'm going to take as a let and writing the debugger, copying this and go to the Chrome and console, just refreshing and pasting new code, entering it. Let's see. We don't have any value in globally. It will be going to store in script is undefined like this. This is the point is telling about. Yeah, we can see will be stored in local script as undefined in memory allocation phase. Next, moving to the function hosting. What is function hosting? A function can be called before declaring it. Same as like first I'm writing one function function. The function name I'm taking host. Like here I'm logging some value like hoisted, like this. If I wanna going to call this one, generally we are declared below of the function. If I wanna going to call, this will be going to give the hosted as a result. But coming to the hosted, I wanna going to call top of the function. This function declaration also going to carry this value. This function declarations are moving to the top. That is, we know about the hosting. If I call this, let's see, hosted, this is also working. Moving to the next point. When a function is used as an expression, an error comes out because only declarations are hosted. See it here. Simply I want to give the expression to this function as like same. This is expression of the function. If I want to going to call this, you can see error will become. What is the error? Hoist before initialized. That is the it's telling about. It is cannot be accessed. Why? Because host is before initialized. If I want to call like this, see it will be going to give me as a result. And one more thing I want to going to share here. Example var a. First I will take the console. Here I'm calling the a. Already we know var a, it will be going to give as a value as a undefined. This is a hosting. But when you are initialize the value a equals to 5, this is initialization. If I call this, it will be going to give as a undefined only. It is not showing the value of a. Why? Because initializations are not hosted. If I call right now, it will be going to give the result as a equal to 5. Here we will take quick revision. If interview asks this question, what is hoisting, and give example, we can answer this question like this. In JavaScript, hoisting is the default behavior of moving function and variable declarations at the top of the scope before code execution. And variable hoisting, we declare then initialize the value of the var next using it. The default initialization of the var is undefined. Variables are declared with var will be stored in global window as undefined in the memory allocation phase. Variable declared with let cost are also hosted, but unlike var, are not initialized with default value. And exclusive will be thrown if the value variables declared with let or cost is read before it initialized. Variables that are declared with let cost will be stored in local script as an undefined in memory allocation phase. Coming to the function hoisting, function can be called before declaring it. When a function is an expression, an error comes out because only declarations are hosted.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and please comment.